going on? This is Frank Miller. I'm half owner of CO7 Print, CO7 Life. I want to tell everybody that I love Be Me because it's black male encouragement, engagement, enthusiasm. The E really makes it stand out to where we're actually taking more than the negative of our culture and making it the positive. Like, we're entrepreneurs, we're fathers, we're judges, we're lawyers, we're policemen, we're people who look out for our community. We inspire others. For me, I'm an entrepreneur that does that. I inspire others to be or to live their dream. There's too much negativity in the world. We're trying to get rid of that with moving forward with the new movement, I Push. I pray until something happens. We're taking all the negative control mechanisms and breaking them down, and we're bringing out forth a new one that's pure positivity. You can follow us on Facebook, hashtag I Push, and you will see what we're doing. We're bringing forth every day a positive message so people can understand that there's more to life. Dream, be inspired, be enthused, be engaged in your community, give back. And I want to say by that, I was with my guy, Anthony Evans. We're a part of what we founded, a foundation called Princess to Kings, where we teach young men how to tie ties, why it's important to keep their pants up, how to talk to teachers, how to set goals, how to even write down a goal, what a goal is. We're just teaching like there's somebody there for them. I want to thank Be Me for the certificate of excellence. It was a great honor, and along with Anthony Evans, who also received the same certificate. Once again, my name is Frank Miller, and you can look me up on Facebook, Frank Miller III. And what I'm about positivity. I'm about nourishing the mind and making it better for tomorrow. The past is the past. Leave it right there where it's at. It's exactly that, the past. Let's push forward for positivity, man. Negativity does nothing but bring you down. It causes more trouble than anything. Look forward towards the future. It's always there. Tomorrow always comes. You might not come, but the future will. Peace.